Hi everyone, it's Bella from Redpath here again, and today we will talk about our garden center and courtyard shelters that we manufacture. Redpath have built hundreds of shelters for this application around New Zealand and Australia. These buildings are primarily designed to keep your customers dry, warm, and happy whilst they are browsing your store. Our garden center shelters will also maintain sufficient light levels to keep plants healthy, whilst at the same time filtering UV light to reduce stress on both your plants and your shoppers. We design our shelters with two different roof profiles. Firstly, the pitched roof truss designs, which have the option to add a roof vent system along the full length at their peak, or the simpler arch or tunnel house-shaped profile for cost-effective rain protection. Both roof shapes have their own advantages, and we will talk you through the many options that each of them have in this video. There are 7 popular span widths for our courtyard shelters as listed here. The full range of Redpath designs are based on a modular construction concept, and they share a common gutter connection system, and what this means is that any width span can be connected side by side to any other width span. The length of our buildings are set out on a 3-meter module pole spacing, and some popular lengths are shown here. Due to the Redpath building's modular width and length, you can easily specify a building close to the size of the space that you might have available. Sidewall height can be anything from 2.5 meters and up to 4.5 meters. Redpath offer 3 main claddings for our shelters. The first and most popular is the Dura Tough Clear Long Life Vinyl Film. This clear film allows 90% of natural light into the shelter, and this gives a natural and warm environment. The second option is the Dura Shade White Vinyl Film. This is very similar to the Dura Tough Clear, but it contains a white pigment that offers a more shaded and cooler environment in the summertime. Both the Dura Tough and the Dura Shade vinyls contain long-life UV stabilizers for a service life of 10 years or more, and both include an anti-condensation formula in the vinyl to limit the formation of condensation droplets on the roofing material. Redpath secure these 2 types of vinyls to our framework with our proven Dura Lock clipping system. This aluminium clip system holds the covers onto the building reliably, even in breezy New Zealand weather. Dura Lock also allows speedy replacement of the vinyl covers when the time comes. Another cladding option is to cover the shelter in rigid corrugated polycarbonate sheeting or a combination of polycarbonate and metal roofing. This hard-clad option offers 20+ years service life, and it can be a great choice if storing valuable dry goods or if you prefer a more traditional tin shed style building. Redpath designs, manufactures, and we also build our shelters nationwide. And we have 16 construction crews spread from the deep south to the far north. The buildings can also be purchased in kitset form if you prefer to erect them yourself, or if you wish to have your own local builder construct the building for you. All of our structures are fully New Zealand design engineered and are supplied with a registered engineer's producer statement, plus a full set of plans and drawings. For peace of mind, Redpath includes the application and submission work for the building consent with your local council. Redpath's steel framework is all high tensile steel, and we pre-drill the structure at our factory for quicker assembly on site. We also use heavy-duty 12mm bolts to secure all of the major building connections together, and this gives us a strong and durable structure. Ventilation can be an important consideration, especially when you have shoppers or staff working inside the structure. The first option is to simply have open sidewalls or windbreak fitted to the sidewalls. The second option is to add a roll-up wall option to one wall or both. You can then open or close each side of the building to suit the weather conditions on the day. The roll-up wall is operated by a manual winch, or you can choose an automatic motor drive and electronic controller, and this will open and close the sidewalls relevant to the temperature that you have set on the controller. The roll-up wall vent system can be fitted to the arch or pitched roof design buildings. The third option is to fit a rack and pinion ridge ventilation system. The rack and pinion system is only offered on the premium pitched roof-wide span building designs. The roof vent will typically include automatic motor drives and a controller. The vent will open and close automatically dependent on the internal temperature, the outside wind direction, and wind speed. Plus, it will close if it begins to rain. Other options offered with our garden center shelters are overhead shade or thermal screen system and vortex air stirrer fan systems. You can also choose to have breathable cloth in the gable ends of the building for airflow ventilation, or you can have color steel iron fitted to the gable ends, sidewalls, or end walls for a durable finish and aesthetic appearance. Aluminum sash windows and lockable doors can also be included. Redpath have been manufacturing these shelters alongside our range of commercial greenhouses and animal shelters in New Zealand for more than 40 years, and our factory warranty and after-sales customer service is second to none. We offer to quote your needs within 24 hours of receiving your inquiry, and our free phone and email contact information is shown here. Thank you for watching this video. Please like our YouTube channel and follow us on our Facebook or Instagram pages for the very latest information and special offers. Bye for now, let's talk soon, and have a great rest of your day.